Asteroid 2024 YR4 captured the world's attention in early 2025. Discovered on December 27, 2024, by advanced survey telescopes, it has quickly become a key subject in near-Earth object research. Measuring between 40 to 90 meters, or 131 to 295 feet in diameter, this asteroid is believed to have originated in the inner main asteroid belt, the region between Mars and Jupiter, filled with rocky remnants from our solar system's early formation. These types of objects typically move between 20 to 50 kilometers per second, or 12 to 31 miles per second, meaning an impact would deliver the force of around 8 to 10 megatons, equivalent to 8 to 10 million tons of TNT. While an impact from an object of this size could devastate an area comparable to a major city, it wouldn't cause an extinction-level event, especially considering that the asteroid responsible for the dinosaurs' extinction was much larger than 2024 YR4. Recent analyses show that gravitational interactions likely altered 2024 YR4's original orbit, steering it towards a course that brings it closer to Earth. Initially, models predicted a potential close approach or impact in 2032. However, as of my research on February 24, 2025, updated predictions have reduced the estimated impact probability to roughly 0.0017%, a significant drop from the 3% prediction earlier this month. In terms of composition, 2024 YR4 appears to be an S-type asteroid, though it could also be classified as an L-type or K-type. Each of these classifications indicates a rocky, stony makeup. Its moderate surface reflectivity helps scientists confirm its size and study its surface characteristics. Early data also suggests that the asteroid may have an irregular shape and a rapid rotation rate. Ongoing observations aim to determine whether 2024 YR4 is a single cohesive structure or a loosely bound rubble pile. Continuous monitoring by NASA and other space agencies ensures that any minute changes in its trajectory are detected as part of a broader planetary defense strategy. This vigilant tracking not only provides early warnings for any potential encounter, but also deepens our understanding of our solar system's history and the ongoing changes at play beyond our planet. Studying Asteroid 2024 YR4 not only enriches our knowledge of the building blocks of our solar system, but also demonstrates the precision of modern astronomical techniques. I'm incredibly grateful for programs dedicated to watching the skies for these objects, and 2024 YR4 is a powerful reminder of the importance of that work. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment, and share with other curious minds. Your support helps more people discover these cosmic adventures. I truly appreciate this amazing community. If you want to join me on more journeys soon, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on the next one. Until next time, take care and be well.